guys? My name is Ronald Walker from Washington Township, New Jersey. I'm 31 years old. I've been playing drums since I was two. I've been playing a lot of different genres, of music such as jazz, gospel, funk, folk, country now. And I play with a lot of different artists such as Jess Haya, Kevin Tran, Daniel Sonny Bryant, Shay Arthur, two bands called, one is called Violet Arcade, the other band called The Playback Rocks, which are really awesome bands. I love these guys. So yeah, I've been playing drums for a while, and like the issue I was always having with finding a good drumstick is that their durability. I'm very hard on sticks, and I was looking for a brand that has a good feel as such as that's durable. Like I was always bringing sticks at rehearsal practices, gigs, shows, and I needed a stick that was reliable and that felt right for me. And the stick that really feels great for me is the 5/8 stealth sticks. I have no better feeling than these sticks. Like these sticks are so amazing, such as the design of the stick, the grip of the stick, the durability of the stick. Like I just played four shows just in the past 2 weeks that these sticks lasted me for a while. And like another style of stick I like that Collision has is the 5/8 reach stick. And I'm gonna tell the guys, so sometimes I like my set spread out, and I love these sticks. I love the brand. I love the company. And I recommend everybody to get a pair or at least try out a pair. Like I said, my favorite is the 5/8 stealth sticks. Like, come on, what stick is cooler than these? Like, you know what I mean? And I don't have that issue about always breaking sticks or, you know, how other brands would be that would snap with ease. And so, yeah, check it out. I will be playing with the original artist circuit band that I told y'all about the event I'm part of. And we'll be playing a song called Lightning in a Bottle by Shay Arthur.